Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. The question is, if r is equal to xy such that xy belong to z and x squared plus y squared less than equal to 4 is a relation on the set of integers z, the domain of r is. Now, since x squared plus y squared less than equal to 4, the maximum value you can have of x is plus minus 2, and the same goes for y, that is plus minus 2, and the minimum you could have is 0 since these are square terms. So your domain would be minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Since these are the maximum values and these are the minimum, and you have the integers, so apart from these you can consider 1 and minus 1 only. So these are the 5 integers that satisfy your requirement. So option D is the correct answer. The next question is, the set of intelligent students in the class is option A, a null set, option B, not a well-defined collection, option C, a singleton set, and option D, a finite set. Now, the term intelligent, this is not well-defined. It may vary from person to person. So option B, not a well-defined collection, is the correct answer. The next question is, if x cubed minus 1 is equal to 0 has complex roots alpha beta, then the value of 1 plus 2 alpha plus beta cube minus 3 plus 3 alpha plus 5 beta cube is. So now the complex roots are alpha beta, and from this relation we can get x cube is equal to 1, or say x is equal to 1. So now the sum of roots 1 plus alpha plus beta, this is equal to 0 from this equation, and this expression can be written as 1 plus alpha plus beta plus alpha whole cube minus 3 into 1 plus alpha plus beta plus 2 beta cube. Now this equals 0 and this equals 0. So what we are left with is alpha cube minus 2 beta cube. So alpha is 1 and minus 2 into 1 cube, that is 1 cube minus 2 cube, or 1 minus 8, which is equal to minus 7. So option A is the correct answer. The next question is, suppose nx, the number of elements in the set X, is 60, ny is equal to 80, and nx minus y is equal to 45. Then nx union y is equal to, so let us draw the Venn diagram. But this is x and this is y. So now we have been given that nx is equal to 60 and ny is equal to 80, and nx minus y is equal to 45. So there are 45 elements which are present in x but not in y. But this whole thing is equal to 60. So x intersection y would be 60 minus 45, that is 15. And since this whole thing is 80, so this would be 80 minus 15, that is 65. So nx union y would be 45 plus 15 plus 65, that is equal to 125. So option A is the correct answer.